This is cabin 12840. This is a Haven Penthouse with balcony. So let's take a look. As you come in behind the door, these are your closets. You can see they look completely different than the cabins and the cabin closets in the regular area. Further come in, you have there's a mini fridge behind here, as well as some drawers, your coffee machine, really large TV. You have a little bench area down here with a table and a chair. You have another chair down here. It looks like a drawer underneath there. You have a lot of controls here on either side of the bed, turning lights on. There are switches, so it's not a digital system, which I kind of like, less things to go wrong. There is power, USB and US on both sides of the bed, which is great. As you see, this is one big bed. They do not separate. And there's some storage underneath, which is nice. On this side over here, you have sort of a makeup area, do your hair, your phone, right? A little makeup mirror right there, as you see right there. This is a penthouse with balcony, so let's go take a look at the balcony here. Nice large balcony with very comfortable recliners. Awesome, great views. We're sort of in the middle of the ship, so you get to see a little bit of everything here. We are inset, so you can't see all the way forward, but this does look towards the back. What I meant by the middle of the ship, we're sort of in the middle of the Haven area. All right, let's go look at the bathroom. Really large sink. I love how the faucets are up on the glass. Nice big mirror. You have a separated area here for the toilet. This is a mirror. Makes it look bigger than it actually is. And a nice big walk-in shower with a little bench in there. Nice rain shower head all the way there at the top. And all your lotions and potions and stuff. So there you go. There's your Haven Penthouse suite, right? With balcony. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao!